Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles and Five of Swords. What's going on? Death, Knight of Wands and King of Swords. Scorpio. Three of Swords. Right now maybe you are in a heartbroken situation. Maybe you are waiting for communication. Maybe you want to send some communication to your person. But right now maybe there is separation between you and your person. Maybe no contact situation. Scorpio. Maybe your person right now. Energy could be vice versa. I think it's you. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Ace of Pentacles, Five of Swords and Five of Pentacles. Everything was okay in past. But later on there are some issues because Five of Swords energy and Five of Pentacles. Maybe there is some cold shouldering. Maybe your person treating you as a option. Maybe they are seeing other options also. Maybe for some third party situation also involved in this connection. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. There is something very sneaky I'm getting here. But you are very sincere in this connection. You are very honest in this connection, Scorpio. But the separation had happened. That's why you are heartbroken because you invested a lot in this connection emotionally. Then present, death, and Scorpio. It's your card and it's your reading. And Knight of Wands and King of Swords. Yeah, they're coming back again. This is a player type energy. Knights always come and go. There is no commitment. They are always non-committal. And you are undergoing some transformation. The Scorpio death card. Because you are in so much pain, heartbroken, maybe you are undergoing some healing and meditation. Yeah, they're coming back, but you decided to cut off or you want to give clarity to them. Because King of Swords is always straightforward, honest, and I think they're bold in nature. They're very straightforward in nature, honest. So they're coming back, but in night energy. That's why you decided to cut off from your life. Then future, Seven of Cups, Ace of Wands and Two of Cups. Maybe some new person entering in your life with Two of Cups energy. This could be your soulmate for some. For some it could be your past person. Depends upon your situation. But I think it's your new person. There is some new beginnings with your new person. Because you have options here. Seven of Cups. After transformation, you will see other options. Maybe someone is admiring you secretly. You don't know about that person. There are some options. Maybe you decided to choose your new person. Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion and there is love between both of you. This could be your new person. I think it's new person I'm getting here. This is your soulmate also. There is mutual love. If not in near future, you will find this person. Because these are future energies. Seven of Cups, Ace of Wands and Two of Cups. And Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion also. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of water energy. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. What's going? Four of Cups. Yeah, there is separation. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. For some, there are two persons coming towards you. One could be past and another could be new. Because this is past person coming in. But this could be new person. Or this could be a new person. This could be a past person. So take what resonate. So let's see your person current feelings. Scorpio. So we will see who. Maybe this is your person or this is your person. Let me see. After their current feelings and actions, we will get clarity. Strength. Hanged Man. Yeah. Under the deck, Magician. They're trying to manifesting you back in their life, and the strength, maybe they're getting their strength to come towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo, the Hanged Man. They're feeling stuck, they're thinking about you a lot. 10 of Pentacles, they want to offer stability to this connection, and they're thinking about to offer commitment and stability. Yeah, they undergoing some spiritual awakening also, your person right now. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Your person near future actions towards you. Four of Wands and Temperance. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. They want to restore the balance in this connection. And Six of Swords, they want to fix the things between both of you, some communication. They want to communicate with you. And Six of Cups, I think it's your person. Two of Cups, I think Knight of Wands could be your new person. Someone is coming with passion, lot of passion. But Two of Cups could be your past person. So depending upon your situation, you know very well whose person this could be. I think Two of Cups, because Six of Cups is here, this is a strong soulmate connection. That's why Two of Cups could be your past person. And Four of Wands, they want this happiness, this celebration with you. They're coming back for reconciliation, Scorpio, if you are in separation with your person. If you are not, they want to take this relationship to next level, like marriage, committed relationship. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They are coming back to fix the things. And Four of Wands, they want to marry you. They want this celebration with you, Four of Wands. But they're taking it very slowly, because temperance, patience is the key. They want to restore the balance, and now they're taking their time before coming towards you. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Five of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. I already told you they are taking it very slow in divine timing and the world. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, still there are some disturbances or misunderstandings between both of you, but everything will be okay near future, because Wheel of Fortune is here. In divine timing plays key role in this connection, and patience is the key also. Maybe your person patiently waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, communication, truth coming out. Yeah, there is reconciliation, judgment, some major decisions you both will make. Yeah, you will get some communication from your person, truth coming out. You still have hopes for this connection, Scorpio. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. See, yeah, reconciliation, Three of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. I think Three of Pentacles, there is no partnership and collaboration between both of you in past, but this is coming, because Three of Pentacles is also reconciliation, want partnership. So you both want this same thing. Definitely there will be reconciliation. They are coming back for reconciliation and taking to this relationship to next level. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Yeah, you will stand by your power. Now in near future you will be in this power. Yeah, you are working towards your goals, and you will achieve financial stability. And the Emperor, they're coming back with commitment. Yeah, maybe you're undergoing some spiritual awakening. You're also getting stuck sometimes when you are thinking about your person. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Four of Cups, now they're feeling missed opportunity with you. Two of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance. Judgment, they're going to be make their mind before coming towards you. Queen of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Yeah, I think they're thinking about you, that you are a very giving and caring person. Yeah, they're coming back, but it will take some time. Maybe right now your person concentrating on their career also for some. But they will come back for sure, because Six of Cups, Four of Wands and Six of Wands, Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you guys. But patience is the key. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. You and your loved ones are safe. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, so this is the message from universe. You and your loved ones are safe. And under the deck, prosperity lies ahead, especially new moon and Taurus. There is a lot of abundance coming in your way, new opportunities, new career options will come. Then automatically your prosperity will grow. Definitely there is some new opportunities and prosperity lies ahead. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.